So good morning everyone. So today we are going to start this geometrical verification of a square minus b square is equals to a plus b into a minus b. So how to prove this a square minus b square is equals to a plus b into a minus b, we will see now. So in geometrical method, so by using the figure we are proving this. So first a square minus b square I am taking. By using this I have to prove this a plus b into a minus b. So first a square. So a total length I am taking it as a. This full length is what? A. So a square. So I am forming one square with the help of that a. So all the sides will be a only here. So this became what? A square. Okay, this is a square. Okay, now from this a square we have to remove what? B square. So I am taking some part here, b value. From here to here I am taking the b. B is a square again. So b is a square. So this value is b. B, 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 b. So this is a square. So what is the area of this part? That is b square. Okay. So once again you see. So I have taken the full length as a. So square means I am drawing one square here. So all the sides are a only here. So what is the area of this? Without this figure, what is the area? That will be a square. So with the help of a square, from a square you have to remove the b square part. So here somewhere I am taking one square. And this is what? B square. The length of this from here to here is b. So this is forming a square. So from this a square box I am removing b square. So from this a square I am removing b square. So how it will be? I am removing this part. Okay, I am removing this part. From whole a value, if you remove b, so what will be remaining here? A minus b. Okay, so here also from whole a, if you remove the b part, how much it will be? That is a minus b. So how the figure has formed, you see. Now the figure is in this form. I have removed the b square value and the figure is formed in this way. Okay, so this total length will be a. So from that you have removed the b part. So what is the length here? A minus b, and this full length will be a. This full length will be a. I have removed the b part. So what is the remaining part here? That is a minus b. Okay. So from this I am dividing this figure into two figures. One figure has been divided into two parts. So this is first part. This is second part. Now we have to find the area of these two parts. Okay, so we got already a minus b whole square. So this is a minus b whole square figure that has been divided into two parts. So what is the first part? We have to find the area of first part. Plus area of second part. So this is here b. Okay, so we have to find the area of first part and area of second part. So a minus b, a square minus b square is equals to area of first part. This part is in the form of rectangle. So what is the area of a rectangle? That is L into b, length into breadth. So I am writing here a into a minus b plus area of second part. Area of second part is also in the form of rectangle. So what is the formula for rectangle? That is L into b. So multiply these two. So b into a minus b. Okay. So now if you multiply this, or here a minus b are common. So common factor I am writing here a minus b. And what are the remaining terms? A plus b. So you got the formula as a square minus b square is equals to a minus b into a plus b. So if you are not getting this, directly you can multiply the terms also. So what I got here? I got as L into b plus b into a minus b. A into A minus B, this area of this rectangle is A into A minus B plus area of this rectangle is B into A minus B. So if you are not getting the how to take the factorization, just multiply the terms. Already we have learnt. So A into A will be A square minus A into B is AB plus B into A is BA plus into minus is minus. So plus into minus is minus, B into B is B square. So after multiplying this again you will get this only. Okay, so what are factors here? What are factors? One common factor is A minus B, other factor is A plus B. So this is our result. So A square minus B square, how you got? A square minus B square is equals to A plus B into A minus B. This is the formula how we have got the formula. Okay, this is geometrical verification. So once again I am telling, listen here carefully. So A square, I am proving first this one. So A square, the total length of a line segment is A. From here to here the length is A. So square is there. So with the help of that same length I am forming one square. The total length is A. Here also total length is A. Here also total length is A. So this the area of the square will be A square. Okay. Now minus B square. So from this A square I have to remove one B square part. So this is B square part. So from here to here that is B. So square means all sides will be equal. B, 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 B. The square is what here? B square. So the area of this square is B square. Okay. Now from A square we have removed the B square. So what is the A square minus B square part? It will be like this. Okay. So I have removed this. From total A, if I remove the B part, what will the length here? It will be A minus B. In the same way, from total A, if I remove the B part, here it will be A minus B. Okay, here total length is A. So what is the part? Here it is B, here A minus B, here it is total is A, here also A, here it will be A minus B. So it has been divided into two parts. Now A square minus B square has been divided into two parts. This is first part, this is second part. So this is also a rectangle, this is also a rectangle. So we have to find the area. So area of first figure plus area of second figure. So what is the area of a rectangle formula? L into B, length into breadth. That is we can write A into A minus B plus length of this rectangle, area of this rectangle. That is L into B. So B into A minus B. Okay. So in this case A minus B is common. A minus B is common. So I am writing A minus B as it is. Only one A minus B I am taking. What are the remaining terms? A plus B. So what is the formula of A square minus B square? That is A minus B into A plus B. So by using this geometrical verification we are going to solve our problems now. Okay. So now first one. Third bit first one. So A value they have given us 3 units and B value they have given us 2 units. Okay, so which geometrical verification we are proving? That is A square minus B square is equals to A plus B into A minus B. So first you draw a figure. Okay, first A square, total length is A, that is 3. A is equals to 3. From here to here the length is how much? 3. So A square. So all the lengths, all the sides will also be equals to 3 here. So from here to here 3. From here to here 3. From here to here 3. That is A square you got now. Okay, this is A is equals to 3. Here also A is equals to 3. Here also A is equals to 3. From this A square we have to remove B square. what we have to remove? B square. So I am taking one part here, from here to here it is a B value. Okay, so what is the B value here? 2 units. So 2, 2, 2, 2. From 3 units I am removing 2 units. Okay, this is square I am removing. So here how much it will be? Now from 3 if you remove 2, that will be 1. From 3 if you remove 2, that will be 1. Here total is 3. Here also 3. Here also 3. Here only one part. So which part I am removing? This part I am removing from the figure. So how it will be? The figure will be in this way now. So how it will be? The figure will be in the form of this. Okay, so write the values now. Here it is 1. Here it will be 2. From here to here is 1. This full part is 3. This full part will be also 3. So now you got that a square minus b square part you got. This is the a square minus b square part. This part I am dividing into 2 parts. Okay, this is figure 1. This is figure 2. This is also in the form of rectangle. This is also in the form of rectangle. Both areas we have to find. So, area of first figure plus area of second figure. So, a square minus b square is equals to, so area of first figure. Area of a first figure if you take, what is the rectangle formula? That is L into B. So, here it will be L into B and this part will also be equals to L into B. Okay. So, in this case, length value is 3 and breadth value is 1. So, 3 into 1. So, here A value is how much? 3 square minus 1 square. Sorry, 3 square minus 2 square. And here plus, what in this case, what is the length value and what is breadth value? 1 into 2. Okay. Now, 3 square is 9 minus 2 square is 4. Here 3 ones is 3 plus 1 2's is 2. So 9 minus 4 is 5 and 3 plus 2 is also 5. So you got LHS is equals to RHS. So this is a geometrical verification for the first question. Okay. So next one we will see. So with the next question our chapter will be completed. In next class we can start our new chapter. This is the last problem in the chapter. So what is the next one? A value is 2 and B value is 1 unit. So which geometrical verification we are doing? That is A square minus B square. A square minus B square is equals to A plus B into A minus B. So first we will draw this figure. Okay, A square, this full, what is the A value? 2. So I am taking one line segment which is equals to 2 parts. Okay, so A square, this is what A is equals to 2. So square means you draw one square with the same measurement. Okay, so draw one square with the same measurement. So this full length will be A is equals to 2. This full length will be A is equals to 2 and this full length will be A equals to 2. Now A square you got. From this A square you have to remove B square. So B is how many parts? Only one part. So from here to here I am taking one B square and what is the length there? 1. So this will be B square. From whole square I am removing this B square value. This part I have to remove it. Okay, so total is 2. Okay, from this 2 if you remove one part, here it will be only remaining one part. And here also from total 2 parts, if you remove the one part, here it will be only one part. Okay, so what is the figure? How you can draw now? This is A minus B figure, A square minus B square figure. Now write the length value. 1, 1, 1. Here it will be 2. Here it will be 2. Now this figure has been divided into 2 parts. First figure and second figure. So this is also a rectangle. This is also a rectangle. So here you got a square minus b square is equals to area of first figure plus area of second figure. So a value is what here? 2 square minus 1 square is equals to area of first figure. This is also a rectangle. This is also a rectangle. So L into B plus L into B. Okay. So 2 square is how much? 4 minus 1 is equals to, here length value is 2, breadth value is 1. So 2 into 1 plus, here length value is 1 and also breadth value is also 1. So 1 into 1. So 2 minus 1 will be 3. 2 ones are 2 plus 1 ones are 1. So 3 is equals to 3 you got. So this is LHS is equals to RHS. So this is a geometrical verification for a square minus b square. So with this our chapter is completed. With this our chapter is completed. You take one homework here. For this third one, a is equals to 4, b is equals to 2 units. So with this given measurements you verify the geometrical verification of a square minus b square is equals to a plus b into a minus b. This one you show it as homework. So same method you have to apply for this also. Okay. So in next class we will start our new chapter. Thank you.